Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to see polymorphism without inheritance, a coding example, okay, in Python programming. So we were just learning about the polymorphism last time. So let's just try to create a class bird and aeroplane, okay. So aeroplane and bird both are flying, right? And we are just going to call out the functions, yes, for both of the classes, okay, by using a normal method. So let's just try to create a class bird, okay, which is okay, which is going to have a method, let's say fly, and here it is going to take the self parameter as an input. Okay, we know that self parameter why it's taken out, right? So let's just try to print out here that flying in the sky, okay, just a normal statement. Else we can just create another class for airplane, okay. So here we are going to create another method that is again going to be flying, okay. So here same method. This is how we are like going to understand the concept of polymorphism, okay. So two methods are there of two classes with similar name. So without the inheritance, how are we going to just print out the statements of the similar method name, right? So airplane is like flying in the air, right? So flying in the air. So I'm just going to create a normal method. Let's say going to start fly, and here we are going to pass out a self parameter. So basically by the help of this self, I can call out my fly method of whatever the input would be given accordingly. So simply I am just trying to call my start fly method and passing the class to which class method you need to call, right? So let's just try to give the bird. You need to call the method for bird, and simply again you need to call the method for airplane. Without inheritance, we are just going to call the similar naming methods by creating a new method, okay. And here we have just passed out the respective classes of their methods you need to call out. We have just passed out the class as an argument here within the function, okay. So this is how we have used out the polymorphism with the same classes is performing out different statement printing. Thank you.